Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a custom currency and symbol in WooCommerce WordPress. This is especially useful if you're running an online store that deals with currencies not included in WooCommerce's default options, allowing you to display prices in a format that matches your business needs perfectly. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the management and customization of your WooCommerce store happens. Once you're logged in, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. This will expand a set of options related to managing your WordPress plugins. From these expanded options, click on Add Plugin. This takes you to the plugins library where you can browse and install new functionality for your site. You'll now see the plugins page displaying all the available plugins you can add to your WooCommerce account. Here, locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in snippets. From the search results that appear, look specifically for code snippets. This plugin is essential because it allows you to add custom PHP code to your WordPress site without editing theme files directly. Click on more details to see an overview of this plugin and get a better understanding of its features and functions. Once you're familiar with what it does, click on Install Now. The installation might take a little while to complete, so be patient during this process. Once the installation finishes, you'll see the button change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After activation, direct your attention back to the left navigation menu, where you'll now see a new option called Snippets. This is the plugin we just installed. Click on it and you'll be taken to the Snippets overview page. This is your control center where you'll see all the code snippets you've added and applied to your WooCommerce site. To add custom currency and symbol in WooCommerce WordPress, we need to create a new code snippet. Click on the Add New button located at the top part of your screen. This will open a code editor where you'll input your custom code. Now I'll be showing you the code required for this function. Feel free to pause the video to copy the code accurately and add it to your code editor. To add the custom currency and symbol, look for the code line that says custom currency name and the line that reads custom underscore currency underscore symbol equals $ semicolon, break semicolon. You can replace the currency name and symbol within these lines to match whatever custom currency you want to display. For example, if you're using a regional currency not listed in WooCommerce's defaults, simply update these values with your preferred name and symbol. Once you've updated the code with your custom details, click on Save and Activate at the top of the editor. That's it. You've successfully added a custom currency and symbol to your WooCommerce store, giving you complete control over how prices are displayed to your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.